Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x80d02004 in Windows computer. So this update's designed to bring enhancement, new features and critical security fixes to the system, and some possible reasons for these errors are include corrupted or incomplete Windows update files, third-party antivirus, and misconfigured Windows. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to temporarily disable third-party antivirus proxy. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type Windows security and then click open. And once you open up this Windows security, and then here at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select virus and threat protections and then click. And on right side, and then you need to select, and under here at virus and threat protections, then you can see here this manage settings and then click. And then here at virus and threat protection settings, then you can see here this real-time protections. Alright, so all you have to do is to turn off or disable this real-time protection settings. So click this button. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. Alright, so you can see now that this real-time protections is already turned off. Okay, so after here at Windows security, and then we need to close, and other solutions that we're going to do is to reset the Windows update components. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword netsh space winsock space reset. So just type this command keyword netsh space winsock space reset, and then press enter. And successfully reset the winsock catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Alright, so we need to close this CMD, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix this error code Windows update 0x80d02004 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.